Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this card with the Hydrangea Haven bundle, which is part of the Hydrangea Hill suite. So here's the bundle that I used, Hydrangea Haven, and here's the lovely hydrangea and the die to cut it out. There's also this distinctive stamp to color in the hydrangea and other sentiments and extra dies that go with the bundle as well. Also part of this suite are the Hydrangea Hill Designer Series paper, which I'm using in this card, this one right here. Gorgeous on both sides. Just lovely, lovely paper. And the pastel pearls in 4 colors. I'm also using this mercury acetate paper. It comes in Rococo Rose, Highland Heather, and the backside is silver, so you can use the backside as well. And the gorgeous grape ribbon, sheer ribbon, beautiful. So for this card, I started off with a regular 4 1/4 by 11 card base, and I'm gonna add the Hydrangea Hill Designer Series paper onto it. So I just used some Stampin' Seal. I hate to cover up this pretty paper, but I'm gonna use the other side. And I just ran out of adhesive, so I'm going to easily and quickly change the adhesive. Got some new Stampin' Seal here. And I'm just going to take it out of the package, and I'm going to place this right in the case here. And I'm good to go. Just gonna get it started. And there we go. Now I'm going to add the mercury acetate. So pretty. But before I add it, I'm going to remove the plastic piece that is on the back side. And so I'm just going to peel it up with my fingernail on the corner and then just peel it right off. And then I'm also going to use, I'm just going to put it right down the middle so it won't be seen. So we're going to cover that up with some cardstock, and I'm just going to center this on the card right here. Oh, so pretty. Don't want to cover that up either, but I've got some cardstock that I'm going to add, but first I'm going to stamp it a couple times in Mossy Meadow with this fun little splash stamp that's got some texture on it. So I'm going to use the Mossy Meadow ink pad, and I'm just going to stamp dark and then off and then one more time. And then I'll do that dark and then light, like that. So I get this various shades of Mossy Meadow up and down my cardstock here. And I'm going to attach that down as well. And now I have already stamped and cut out my hydrangea. So it's going to go like this. So I'm just going to trim off the little bit of stem here. So that's where the stem was, right there. So I'm going to put a little bit of adhesive on the bottom here. to adhere it to here. So I stamped off, obviously, Mossy Meadow on Mossy Meadow and Gorgeous Grape on Gorgeous Grape using the Hydrangea stamp. And this one is going to be popped up. Some of you may have been wondering why I was laying down everything flat when I typically pop everything up on dimensionals. Here are the dimensionals. So we'll add the hydrangea, and we're going to dress it up with some extra petals and some pastel pearls and ribbon. So we'll put it off to the left here a little bit so that we have room for our sentiment that I cut out of the dies, this piece right here, and we'll stamp the sentiment in Gorgeous Grape. So this is Gorgeous Grape, and it says, I appreciate all the little things you do. So this is a great card to give to someone. Perfect. And of course, this will go on dimensionals. We'll just do 2 little ones. I'll just put this right down here. And now we get to dress up the card. So I've already cut out all these fun little Gorgeous Grape flowers with the self-adhesive sheet so that I can just peel and stick. So I'm just going to peel off some of these and add some of these flowers. All right, now that I have a whole bunch of flowers on my hydrangea, I'm just gonna go ahead and add some of these pastel pearls, and I'm gonna use, so take your pick tool, and I think I used the dark pearls. So I'll do some around the flower and then some on the flowers. Maybe just in the center. There we go. There is our card. I'm offering a free card kit when you place a $30 order. Just go to my website, elianscreations.net, and use this February hostess code when placing your $30 order. And email me and let me know that you would like the Hydrangea Haven card kit, and I will send it right out to you. And of course, if you purchase the Hydrangea Haven bundle, I will also send you this free card kit. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and be sure to check out all my Hydrangea Haven cards. Thanks, bye.